In looking at our SWOT analysis, Evelyn, myself, and Abraham took a look at the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and challenges presented for Pinellas County Human Services. In terms of strengths, we found that employees are equipped and able to understand policies and provide appropriate customer service to clients. In terms of weaknesses, we found that the main weakness was that employees were not taking advantage of learning opportunities that were available to them through the organizational talent and development team, and that the county itself did not have a formal leader development program to train a pipeline of future leaders, whether it's line staff, supervisors, managers, or executives. In terms of opportunities, we felt if we could develop a leader development program and appropriate curriculum, this would allow for the training and development of participants at the county level. We would also increase enrollment by county employees in the formal certification programs, as well as leader development training. In terms of challenges, we found that time constraints and workload management was a huge challenge for employees to get them enrolled in leader development training, and additionally providing adequate e-learning and hybrid formatted learning so that participants don't have to drive throughout areas of the county to take in-person classes, thus allowing for more flexibility with their traditional work schedules. In terms of our training needs assessment, through Pinellas County Human Services, Evelyn, our other group member, Evelyn Centeno, met with the organizational training and development representative, Ms. Kat Black of Pinellas County. At that point in time, Evelyn helped and observed one of the training courses provided by Ms. Kat Black. We proceeded to then collect data and create a survey instrument for Human Services Department employees, thus allowing us to analyze the results of the survey and then present the findings of the data that we gathered upon the return of the surveys. Our data collection analysis, we looked at how employees were formally, how engaged were they and felt about their certifications, whether this was line staff, supervisors, managements, or executives. We looked at 12 employees and looked at the data that they provided on our survey, which was measured on a Likert scale from 1 to 5. And we looked at the formal results of the survey. We looked at also their attitude towards training programs, certifications, and leader development programs. We looked at the quality level of existing programs and their overall attitude towards learning the material in order to gauge what percentage of participants were looking into the leader development program and were formally interested in gaining this necessary training through Pinellas County.